Asuntoskeittiö Vellamonkatu.
This is also amazing today, on the 17th of July 2025. And this has the year instead.
Yeah, strange.
But doesn't say the year, but we know it's built in 1981. This year is be 60, 85,
Yeah.
probably a Valmet.
Yeah, but it can be also 1982, but we don't know.
Yeah, the capacity is 4 plus, that means 5 rooms. But it's 9 floors, so 2
Yeah.
rooms here. I don't know why they forgot the year in both of them in this building.
Yeah.
And we can also check on the internet if this was finished in 1981 or 1982.
82 probably.
Then this is late 1981 Valmet.
Yeah.
Or did you check it on it?
No, but normally the bunker doors are a bit older.
Okay, well we can check on the internet.
Yeah. Vaikka mä että me teen pausasonaariskriptissä.
Also in Tampere tämä Force becomes Finland, like this still original.
Yeah, Tammela.
Niin Tammela, yeah. They were really difficult to get inside.
Yeah, before, but now it was easy.
Yeah. Yes, that's it. Thanks so much.
That's